What's the meaning of care of? Care of. Care of.
Care of. Care of. Care of is an abbreviation that stands for care of. It is used when someone would like to send mail or a package to a person who is staying at a location temporarily or is not the owner of the address. The letters care of indicate that the mail should be delivered to the specified person at the address given. It is commonly used in situations such as sending mail to a friend who is staying at a hotel or to an employee who works at a company but is currently at a different location.